What causes ringing in your ears? Discover the true causes of tinnitus and how to cure it. What causes ringing in your ears? When you experience the symptoms all on your own, then the mind boggles as to where this useless condition came from. In this video, I'll explain to you the primary and secondary factors that cause tinnitus and ringing in your ears as well as how to cure it successfully. Primary cause: hearing loss. The primary factor in tinnitus is hearing loss. Inside the human ear there is an organ that looks like a snail called the cochlea. Inside it are thousands of tiny hairs. These hairs are like blades of grass. If you push them over lightly, then they will spring back. If you stamp on them for a long period, then they will be permanently damaged. When you listen to loud sound for long periods of time, then the hairs in your cochlea become damaged and you suffer hearing loss. At the same time, many people who get hearing loss also go on to develop tinnitus. Some degree of hearing loss is necessary to get ringing in the ears. Even though you might think that your hearing is perfect, it's not. Secondary co-factors. There is nothing you can do about hearing loss because it is irreversible. But why is it that some people who experience hearing loss never get tinnitus? This is due to secondary co-factors. You need hearing loss to get tinnitus, but you also need at least one or more secondary co-factors too. Here are just a couple of them. First example co-factor: lifestyle. Did you know, for example, that your toothpaste could be causing or contributing to your tinnitus? Many toothpastes, especially those for sensitive teeth, contain compounds of potassium which can be problematic for some tinnitus sufferers. Even regular toothpaste and the fluoride within it can cause problems. You can try switching to a non-fluoride version for a while and see what happens. Second example co-factor: diet. Did you know, for example, that MSG, which is commonly found in many prepared foods and not just Chinese food, is strongly linked to tinnitus? This is because it is a type of glutamate, an excitatory neurotransmitter. The same neurotransmitter that is toxic to the body and also produced when your hair cells die. Once again, try eliminating it and all other glutamates totally from your diet. This can be difficult because it is often hidden in foods, but the only way to find out is to try. How to cure tinnitus? As you can see above, the only way that you can cure or reduce your tinnitus is to look at each possible cofactor in isolation. The two examples above are only a small selection and there are many more. By looking at each one in turn and making a small change to your diet or lifestyle, you can eventually pin down the biggest contributors to your tinnitus and experience vastly reduced or total elimination of your tinnitus symptoms altogether. Please check the link in the description which will help you to cure tinnitus.